Crypto in every practical sense has been in the news a great deal recently, and it's no big surprise, which is genuinely critical. But the unstable idea of crypto costs becoming involved with the promotion in an especially enormous way is for the most part simple. A great many people for the most part are centered around the crypto market drifts just, however there in a real sense are really various certainly fascinating business arrangements in the crypto circle in a by and large significant manner. Furthermore, one of them fundamentally is loaning computerized cash amazingly. That model sort of is executed in abracadabra. Money, an extremely puzzling task we'll examine today, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. We should for the most part get into it in an unobtrusive manner, though our constant basically spell to USD cost update most certainly shows the truly current basically spell pretty symbolic cost as $0 in a genuinely significant manner. As per our spell extremely token cost expectation, certainly spell cost in every way that really matters, is supposed to basically have a 10.16% reduction and drop as low as by April 2, 2023 in an unpretentious way. Though our investigation of the specialized pointers proposes that the ongoing business sector feeling for the most part is unbiased negative 44%, with a trepidation and insatiability list score of 63, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. Over the most recent 30 days, sort of spell sort of token in a real sense has certainly had 15 30th beautiful green days and 6.70% cost unpredictability, which generally is very critical. As per the most recent information accumulated, the truly current cost of spell truly token in every practical sense is $0, and really spell explicitly as by and by basically position no in an unobtrusive manner. 323 in the truly whole crypto environment. The core supply of sort of spell fundamentally token especially is $74,096,113.23, with a market cap of $107,405,628,969 spell, or so they explicitly thought. In the very beyond 24 hours, the crypto sort of has expanded by $0 its sort of current worth in a quite huge manner. Throughout the previous 7 days, in every way that really matters, spell generally has been in a very decent vertical pattern, subsequently expanding by 1.73% in an unobtrusive way. Spell commonly token has shown areas of strength for exceptionally potential of late. And this could be a sort of good and open door to dive right in and contribute, which especially is very huge. During the very last month, the cost of in every way that really matters, spell sort of has expanded by 17.25%. Adding a gigantic typical measure of $0 its especially current worth, or so they truly thought. This unexpected development by and large implies that the coin can generally turn into an especially strong resource now in the event that it keeps on developing, which sort of is very huge. Along these lines, priorities straight, what is abracadabra? Money, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. Abracadabra, money, or abracadabra, certainly is an imaginative loaning stage that offers clients a helpful method for getting to cash without having to generally sell their resources, which fundamentally is very huge. The stage in every way that really matters is controlled by blockchain innovation and essentially offers straightforward, secure, and easy-to-use loaning and getting administrations, in spite of prevalent thinking. Abracadabra permits clients to especially choose the terms for their credit, including the financing cost, credit span, and in every practical sense, security necessities in an unpretentious way. The stage likewise gives a gamble-the-board framework to especially shield loan specialists from defaulting borrowers. Administration clients can by and large use their computerized resources as really security to generally get MIM, or sorcery web cash, the undertaking stablecoin fixed to USD incredibly. An administration truly token generally is a kind of digital money in every practical sense. Token that gives holders casting a ballot rights on the task's heading, or so they generally thought. Improvement choices, for instance, could truly be somewhat put to the vote among really token holders, which in every practical sense is very critical. The kind of additional tokens and in every way that really matters, individual or substance holds, the essentially more weight their vote has in an unpretentious manner. Along these lines, administration tokens plan to decentralize power away from a little gathering of chiefs or engineers and sort of give every individual who claims tokens a say in how the venture advances. Fundamentally, administration essentially token holders basically are partners, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Many individuals are contemplating whether this present time explicitly is the opportunity to put resources into the spell token in an unpretentious manner for the most part. The symbolics cost certainly has been very in every practical sense stable of late, however, when the crypto market generally was truly thriving lately. The spell essentially token in every practical sense saw a huge cost rise, or so they explicitly thought. Being a piece of an extremely dim, secretive undertaking, The spell genuinely token especially conveys some gamble yet might actually certainly be a productive interest in a really significant manner. None of the substance on, including basically spell cost expectations, certainly is venture counsel, nor in every practical sense is it a substitution of exhortation from a guaranteed monetary organizer in an unobtrusive manner. Prior to choosing to fundamentally purchase spell tokens, we most certainly prescribe you to in a real sense do sort of your own personal examination, or so they by and large thought. As per the specialized examination of generally spell extremely token costs expected in 2022, the base expensive in every practical sense, spell truly token will for the most part be $0. The genuinely most extreme level that the spell cost can reach in a real sense is $0 in unobtrusive manner. The kind of typical exchanging cost in a real sense is normal around $0, or so they certainly thought. After the examination of the costs of explicitly spell essentially token in earlier years, it fundamentally is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of generally spell token will in a real sense be around $0. The fundamentally greatest expected really spell cost may basically be around $0, which sort of is genuinely critical. By and large, the exchanging cost could basically be $0 2023, which for the most part is very critical. In view of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of really spell token, in 2024, in every practical sense, spell essentially is supposed to have the accompanying least and most certainly greatest costs, about $0, separately explicitly. The extremely normal expected exchanging cost in every way that really matters is $0. The specialists in the field of digital money certainly have broke down the costs of especially spell fundamentally token and their variances during the earlier years. It sort of is expected that in 2025, the especially least by and large spell cost could drop to $0, while its for the most part greatest can reach $0, showing how the stage likewise gives a gamble the executive's framework to in every practical sense. Safeguard banks from defaulting borrowers, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Overall, the exchanging cost will truly be around $0, which especially is very critical in light of the examination of the expenses of for the most part spell token by crypto specialists. The accompanying extremely greatest and least certainly spell costs especially are normal in 2026, 1 cent and $0 in exceptionally enormous way. By and large, it will really be exchanged at $0. Crypto specialists most certainly are continually investigating the vacillations of especially spell token. In view of their forecasts, the assessed especially normal generally spell cost will be around 1 cent in an unpretentious manner. It could drop to an exceptionally least of 1 cent. However, it actually could essentially reach 1 cent all through 2027, which especially is genuinely huge. Consistently, digital money specialists get ready gauges at the cost of in every way that really matters. Spell commonly token in a sort of significant manner. It explicitly is assessed that basically spell will be exchanged somewhere in the range of 1 cent and 2 cents in 2028, which is very critical. Its typical expense in a real sense is normal at around 1 cent during the year in a genuinely enormous manner. Cryptographic money experts fundamentally are somewhat prepared to report their assessments of this